on fire. How do you now know that the womb is removed? It's only by biological test. But what happened in her case was that the first person came that wanted to marry her. I told the person, bros, if you want to marry me, I don't have a womb. That means you will not have children. That guy said, okay, I'll be back. Let me go and pray. And the guy never came back. Then the second person came and she told the guy that, I know you are loving me. I know you say you want to marry me. But the thing is that I don't have a womb. That means you will not have children. The guy now told her that, listen, when Toyota make a car, they produce spare parts for that car. When Mercedes-Benz produce a car, they produce spare parts. He said, God that created you has spare parts. To the glory of God, that woman has 3 children right now. Don't ask me how it was done. God knows what he's doing. There are exceptional cases. Are you aware that now I've entered biology now, right? Are you aware that there are some people that their womb, nothing is wrong with them, their womb cannot carry a child. Their womb can't. Biologically, it's not like something is wrong. Some of you don't even know, you have not done tests, you don't know all these things, and it's when it's time to give birth, and now say CS, and now start crying, let's pray for CS. CS is a normal thing. That's the only solution. But if you have known beforehand, probably you would have done surrogate or every other one that is available. Are you not aware that there are some men, based on biological issues, they cannot perform? That's the word we use, right? Perform. Now, are you going to now say, Saddam, should I go and test him? No. The result will prove it. You do test. Oh, you have low sperm count. This is the solution. So you will not decide. Listen, there are many married people that will listen to this thing now. Go and check what they will be saying. Go and watch, listen to their comments. No, go and, you know what you do? Carry this recording. Go and give it to married people. Tell them to listen and advise you. There are many married people, when it comes to sexual matter, they are angry. As simple as, let me use a name, Jennifer, as fine as you are like this now, are you planning to remain like this after marriage, or you will be fat? You eat anyhow and not take care of yourself? I told the lady today, I said, what's wrong with you? Why are you not fine anymore? You're not taking care of yourself because you're married. That's what I told her. And the mom was there. The mom said, let me tell her. I said, you don't have sense now, you know. You're no longer fine again. And you expect your husband to just like you like this. No. There are married men, when they married, they were cute, they were up and doing. They put their energy on maybe wrong things. Now they have pot belly, they are different things. You ask questions. Sorry, the way you are slim like this now, are you planning to be slim like this all through? Or do you plan to carry weight and add chest? There are people that get married. They see the person, they like the person. But guess what? It's not the person that they are seeing that they like. They are planning that when they marry, they will change the person. They say, oh, you marry her now, you will not train her. It's not training, they are saying, no, change her, that's what they are planning. That's why I am not of the stand that I will train anybody for marriage. Am I your father? I'm sorry if you have not been trained, no problem. You ought to have a level of training. I cannot look at you and say, okay, you have the basics. You have even gotten to intermediary or average level or above average. Okay, in my church, they call me above average. I talk about above average a lot. Oh, you are above average. And we're like, okay, a few things here, a few things here. The same thing with the guy.